What if we asked scientists to come up with something truly unique?
The first piece of musical theatre generated by computers.
The hills are alive with the sound of...
We've called this endeavour the experiment.
I thought it was bonkers.
For us, it was wonderful.
Our international team of scientists conducts a groundbreaking study into what makes a hit musical.
How much death?
And then makes one.
I've just generated a show tune by my program. I call my program Android Lloyd Webber.
Still gibberish.
This machine is talking to a machine in Madrid, in Cambridge, and in Slovenia right now.
A top cast and creative team will stage it in London's West End.
Standing by then, please.
Sorry, end.
This is a meeting of science and art as never before.
If the show's ghastly, it's not really my fault.
Even if it fails, it's necessary to experiment.
And bridging the two are Benjamin Till and Nathan Taylor, musical theatre writers who, on this occasion, will take dictation from the computers.
Why would you want a computer to write a musical?
To see if it can.
Despite tears and tempers in a changing world,
The nasty beast that we're visiting could easily put me out of a job.
We can use computers to do crazy, exciting, creative things.
the experiment makes only one demand: